What's up and welcome to my 19-minute kettlebell challenge. We're going to jump right into it. We're doing swings, we're doing squats, we're doing push-ups. 6, 4, 2. Here we go. Jump right into it with 6 swings. Strong setup. 6 swings. Here we go. Set and swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set it down. Step back. 4 bodyweight squats. Squats, that's the control. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 perfect strict push-ups. Lock it out. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Get up, shake it out. Rest up to the next set. Shake it out, move around. In 20 minutes, we're done with the workout for the day. We're doing swing, explosive, ballistic, high heart rate, calorie burning, fat burning. We're doing leg strength. We're doing chest push-up strength. Hinge, squat, and a pull. And a push. All right, here we go. Next set, 6 swings, 4 squats, 2 push-ups. All right, sit up, put space away from that bell. Feet by your sides. Here we go. Ready? Set. Swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sit down safely. All right. Set up. 4 strong or controlled squats. 1. Look straight ahead. Power up. 2, 3, and 4. You know what it is, 2 strict push-ups. Here we go. Set up, strong push-up. Position, down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Good, shake it out. All right, nice work. We got 19 minutes of this, giving you plenty of rest. So, remember that there are some options here. The swing's gonna stay the same, 2-arm swing. The squat, you can go bodyweight like we've been doing. Stick with 4 reps, keep it simple. But if the bodyweight squat is getting a little too easy for you, add the bell, 4 goblet squats. All right, that's another way you can challenge yourself today is add a weight to your goblet squat. Or you can just back up and keep doing bodyweight squats. Or you can alternate, whatever you want to do. Push-ups gonna stay the same with 2. If you do need to modify, you can go on the knees. You can do push-ups on the knees, but I highly recommend you stay up and just go as low as you can go with the push-up. All right, time next. Swing time. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set it down. Go bodyweight squats again. Here we go. 1, 2. Control it down. 3. And 4. 2 push-ups. Let's go. Here we go. Set. Go. Lower down. Power up. 1. Lower down. Power up. 2. Shake it out. Woo. That's it. All right. Good work. All right, we're 3 rounds in. I'm going to start adding some bodyweight squats to my squats. I'm going to alternate. This set will be kettlebell, it'll be a goblet squat for 4, stick with 4 reps. Next set's gonna be bodyweight. I'm gonna alternate those, all right? So if you wanna do that with me, let's knock it out, let's get it. Strong rest mode, shake it out. You wanna be recovered enough to get into your next set with strong, solid technique. Don't start exhausted or fatigued. So we're getting plenty of rest here. Practice slow breathing into the nose, out through the nose. It's gonna bring your heart rate down. All right. All right, here we go. Next set, set up, put space by that bell. 6 squats. 6 swings actually. All right, here we go. Ready. Set. And swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going body weight, goblet squat. So hypocatch that bell. Push it with 4. Control down. Power up. 1, 2. Control down. Power up. 3. Drive those heels towards each other. Keep those knees out. Keep it from bowing in. Sit that bell down. All right. Now we go 2 push-ups. Here we go. Set. Go. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Good. Shake it out. Getting it done. Whew. So, all you need is 20 minutes. 20 minutes and you're in and out. All right, we're about 6 minutes in. So, all right, so real quick tip on the goblet squat first. As you come down, you put yourself down, chest up straight, put yourself down with your legs. At the bottom, you want to drive your knees in towards each other. Corkscrew like you're trying to drive them in together. Into the ground, and it's going to keep your heels, or your knees, from going in on the way up. You're driving, you should feel on the outside of your quads, all right? Your lateralis here, quadriceps. When you do, it's going to keep those knees out, all right? So, and then quick tip, we've got a couple seconds before we go into the next one. On your push-up, all right? To activate more of your chest, drive your hands together. Like at the bottom, you're trying to bring them together. That's going to activate more of your chest, right? Drive them together on the way up, and then control and slow it down on the way down. All right. All right, here we go. Get that bell centered. All right. Next set. Ready? Sticking with 6. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sit down. I'm alternating. So now I'm on to my body weight squat. So it's a great opportunity if you're doing that. Pull down, drive your heels together, in. Lock it at the top, pull down, drive them in, lock it at the top. So keep those knees out. We don't want bowing knees. We want nice, strong knees. 3. Last one, come down, drive out, lock out. Good. All right, push-up time. So practice driving those hands together on the way down. Pull down, drive them together, up 1, pull down, up 2. And always, all the way to the top. I want full extension of the elbow on the push-up, all right? All right. Make sure my mic doesn't fly off here. Shake it out. So remember, when you're doing these, you need to make adjustments. Like I said, you can change up with the body weight squat, goblet squat, you can alternate. Or if your push-up isn't feeling that good, you have tight shoulder, tight neck. One thing you can do, of course, is pack your shoulders down, practice packing them into the sockets, and bring your hands by your sides. I have a push-up video, how to do a strict push-up properly, safely. I'll link that in the description. But for now, pull down, power up, keep those shoulders packed in the sockets, and also with your squat, driving those knees in. That's a key tip. That's going to keep those knees from bowing in, to keep them out. All right. All right. Videos on that as well. Goblet squat, push-up, and of course the swing. I'll leave all those links in the description. For now, let's knock out this workout. Let's get it in. We got 6 reps. 3 deep breaths, so to the nose. 1 more. All right, let's make this a strong set. Ready, set. 6 swings, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's that time. It's goblet squat day time. Set up. Hypocatch that bell. Position your feet. Pull down. Power up. 1. Pull down. Power up. 2. You notice my knees stay out. Pull down. Up. Down. Corkscrew. Drive them together. 4. Good. All right, 2 push-ups. Let's practice that. Driving those hands together. Full extension at the top. Go. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. There you go. That's it. Shake it out. All right. All right. So we're more than halfway there. All right. Make sure you're shaking it out. You're not standing in place. Don't sit down. Move around. Let your heart help your heart pump that blood up and down. And breathe slowly through the nose on the rest. Before you know it, we'll be done. 20 minutes in and out. Boom. Done with your full body workout. All right. Let's stop talking now. Let you breathe. I'm on 3 deep breaths. So through the nose. Out through the nose. 1 more or 2 more. All right. All right, here we go. Swings again. Then I'm going body weight squat this set, or this round. All right, ready. Set. 6 swings. Go. Set that bell down. Stand back. Pull down. Pause. Power up. 1. Full extension all the way to the top. Pull down. Power up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Chest straight up. Down. Up. 4. Nice. 2 straight push-ups. Here we go. I want you to lower yourself down nice and slowly. Controlled. Down. Power up. Draw those hands together. 1 more. Down. Power up. Good. Excellent work. Shake it out. Making progress. You're almost there. Let's get this done together. 19 minutes, under 20-minute workout. In and out. Full body. Bells and body weight. Simple but effective. Shake it out. All right. Making great progress here. Progress. 1 step at a time. 1 set at a time. 1 rep at a time. You're gonna get there. Do that daily, consistently. You're gonna make progress towards that goal. All right, here we go. Slowly breathe. Inhale, exhale. Last one. All right. Let's wait so it's not bell. Sit up strong. All right. Find that hip hinge. Ready. Contract that core. Get your abs engaged. Hinge down. 6 swings. Ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's goblet squat time. All right, here we go. Pull down. Power up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Down. Up. 3. Last one. Strong. Down. Up. 4. Good. All right, slide that ball out of your way. 2 push-ups. Let's hit it. You got this. Let's go. All right, here we go. Ready. Set. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Nice. It's only 2 push-ups. Make them good. Make them good quality. We're almost there. Shake it out. Getting it done. Getting it done. All right, as we shake it out, if you're liking this workout, this 20-minute or 19-minute full body kettlebell and bodyweight workout, let me know in the description, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you like about it. If you have any questions on it, let me know as well. And if you want a full body, quick workout, you can do 5 to 10 minutes. Grab that in the description or send me a comment, KB5, 5 to 10 minute workout. You can knock that out. Similar to this, you can get a workout in 5 to 10 minutes. If you're limited on time, no excuses, you get it done. KB5 in the comments or in the description. Click that link, grab that free workout. All right, so there's never a reason you can't get your workout done. All right, here we go. Next set, we're almost done. We got a couple more. Let's finish strong. All right, here we go. So this time, I'm gonna go 6 squats, and then I'm going to run into my goblet squat. I'm gonna hypo catch it up into that squat, and then 4, all right? If you know how to do that, do it with me. If not, sit it down, hypo catch it, like you've been doing, or just stick with your bodyweight squat. Whatever you're at, we're doing 4 of each, or 4. We're all doing 4 squats. First, we got 6 swings. Here we go. Ready? Set. Swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, into that squat position. All right, here we go. 4, go. Down, up. 1, down, up. 2, up, 3. Last one, strong, chest up. Here we go. Really strong. Up. 4. Whew. Bell's starting to slip there. Sometimes chalk's a good idea. It's always a good idea, actually. All right. 2 strict, strong push-ups. It's only 2. Make them good. Here we go. Ready. Set. Down. Up. 1. Down. Up. 2. Nice. We are almost there. Can you taste the finish line? Can you smell the finish? It's almost there. I know I can. All right, we're almost there. Just keep pushing through it. Keep pushing yourself. Working strong, pushing yourself, working smart though. So if you need to make any adjustments, we've already gone 16 minutes. If you need to, if you have a lighter belt, you can go with the lighter belt. But if you don't have a lighter belt, you can go 6 reps. A little too much for you, you need to go to 5 or 4. Go ahead and make that modification now. Same with squats, same with push-ups. But so you don't get confused, make sure you stick to the swing squat push-up sequence. Change your reps if you need to. Otherwise, stick with me. 6, 4, 2. We got a couple left. Let's finish strong. Me and you, let's knock this out. All right, we got 6 swings right here. And then I'm going bodyweight squat. Here we go. Ready? Set. 6 swings. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, 4 good bodyweight squats. Let's go. Down, up. 1, down, up. 2, down, up. 3, down, up. 4. All right, 2 push-ups. Let's go. Make them good. Set. Down, up. 1, down, up. 2. Good. We're almost there. Guess what? We got one more set. Shake it out. Shake it out. Let's get this one done together. Let's finish strong. Swing, squat, push-up challenge. 19 minutes, in and out. We're starting soon. Let's get this one done. Shake it out. Deep breath. And then you'll be done. On your way. Accomplished. Feeling good. That you got your workout in today. 20 minutes, you could be scrolling on that phone, scrolling. 20 minutes is gone like that. But you chose to be here, get your workout in, do something for yourself, pat yourself on the back on that one. Now let's finish this strong together. All right, we got 6 swings, 4 squats, 2 push-ups. Make them good, make them count. I'm going goblet squat in this last one. If you're doing it with me, let's knock it out together. All right, let's go. Ready? Set. 6 swings, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right into squat position. Let's go. 4, down, up. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Power up. 4. Good. All right. 4 push-ups. Finish strong. Set. Down, up. Last one. Down, up. That's it. 19-minute kettlebell challenge. You did it. My timing's up. Thanks for showing up today. Showing up for yourself. Getting it done. Knocking it out. Again, if you want that 5 to 10 minute full body workout, absolutely free. Grab that in the description or KB5 in the comments. Woo! I'll send that over to you. Otherwise, train strong. Get after it. Expect success. Take one step at a time. Progress, progress, progress. Every single day, show up. Do a little bit better than you did yesterday. You're going to get there. So stick with it. Keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next video. Announce today. Train strong. Get after it. Don't let anything stop you. You got this. See you in the next video. Train strong.